Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage market capitalization with CoinGecko step by step clearly. Visit the CoinGecko website by typing www.coingecko.com in your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, take a moment to explore the homepage layout. Locate the search bar at the top of the page. Enter the name of the cryptocurrency you want to analyze. Review the search results and select your chosen cryptocurrency from the list. You will now be directed to the specific page for that cryptocurrency. Scroll down to find the market capitalization section on the page. Here, you will see the current market cap value visually represented. To gain more insights, explore additional metrics available on the same page. Take note of the market cap ranking and how it compares to other cryptocurrencies. For more detailed analysis, click on the Market tab to view exchanges listing the cryptocurrency. This section will show you trading volumes and liquidity across different platforms. Next, check the Historical Data tab for past market cap performance. You can analyze trends by selecting specific timeframes for data comparison. Consider utilizing the Charts section for visual data representation. This will help you observe price movements alongside market cap changes. To stay updated, make a habit of revisiting the CoinGecko site regularly. Utilize the CoinGecko mobile app for on-the-go market. Finally, use the insights gathered to make informed decisions regarding your cryptocurrency investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.